Google just released a 69-page prompt engineering masterclass, and I was able to understand most of it within 30 minutes using a tool called Notebook LM. Here's how I use it. So I click on New Notebook and then drag in my source, which is the 69-page PDF. Notebook LM takes a couple of minutes to grok it, but once it's done, it gives me 3 really useful features. First is the podcast overview. So this is a 15 to 20-minute AI-generated podcast talking to each other about the main learnings. So here's a snippet from the podcast.
ZeroShot prompting. What's the idea there?
Well, it's the most straightforward approach. You basically just give the LLM a description of the task you want done.
Just the task.
Yeah, the task and the text it needs to work on.
Number 2 is the briefing doc. So if I don't have 15 minutes to listen to the podcast, I'll briefly skim the briefing doc, which provides the main bullet points and even points out the sources from which it pulls the information from. And the third thing is a chatbot, which essentially allows me to dive deeper into the subject than what just the brief provides. If you want to find the notebook and podcast I created for the 69-page prompt engineering masterclass, you can find it in the link in my bio.